Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set or change the date and time on Windows 10. If you find this guide helpful, I'd really appreciate your support. Let's dive right in. We'll start by opening the Start menu. Just click on the Start button once, and then type Time into the search bar. One of the top results should be Change the Date and Time under System Settings. Click on it to open the Settings window. Once the Settings window appears, you'll see several options. If you want to manually set the time because it's incorrect, toggle off the Set Time Automatically option. This will allow you to change the time manually. If you're looking to change the time zone, scroll down to the Time Zone section. Click the drop-down menu and select the time zone you need from the list. To change both the date and time, click on the Change button under the Set the Date and Time Manually section. This option is available only if the automatic time setting is turned off. Adjust the settings as needed, and once you're done, the changes will be applied automatically. You don't need to click Save or OK. If you're unsure of the current time or want to sync it with the Microsoft server, simply use the Time Synchronization button. Finally, close the window, and you'll notice that the updated date and time will appear in the bottom corner of your screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, please support the channel by subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Goodbye.